Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great week so far. It is Monday, the 23rd of September. We have made it to day number 150 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. All right. Now, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about with this challenge, we are shooting a 365-day series, pretty much challenge, right? 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn income doing so within 1 year, earn a steady income doing so within 1 year, guys, of doing this series. All right. So we have made it to day number 150. Go back and watch those previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Also, subscribe to this channel so you can kind of get up to date on all the videos that are coming out moving forward. All right. So we're on day number 150. Let's go over here to the My Legion Secret platform. This is My Legion Secrets, guys. If you have no idea what it is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to determine on how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you guys can have as many as 5, 6, 7, 10, 20 accounts. You can get as many as you like. All right. Now, the whole idea here, guys, you're going to be getting new subscribers every single day, and every single month you're going to have thousands of people coming in, okay, to your list. Around 6,000 new subscribers every single month that you'll have coming in. All right. So if you have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay. So that's why you have to have multiple accounts. That way you can get to your goal faster. Okay. If it's to make money. All right. So right now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now, guys. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. Those leads do work, okay, and I've earned income from different platforms promoting to this traffic, okay. So I can tell you, firsthand that it does work, okay. Now the only thing is that these leads, these traffic that you have here, it is cold traffic. Okay, so these people have no idea who you are. You do have to come in every single day, send out the emails, send out good emails, right? And you also have to have a good landing page for these individuals, to be able to resonate with. All right. So these are business opportunity leads. Okay. So our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find business opportunity offers that we can use to send to this traffic. Okay. Now, there's going to be two popular ways to make money with the My Legion Secret. All right. Number one is you're going to be able to promote this service itself. Okay. So you can literally come here and create emails for My Legion Secret and then insert your affiliate link, which is going to be right here. You can insert that into the email, or you can just go over here to the affiliates and click on the promo tools. Just make sure that you're on that tab, and you're going to come down here. You're going to already have some pre-written emails for you that are available to you. Okay, so all you got to do is load these emails up and then click send. That's all you got to do, guys. All right. So if you want to promote the My Legion Secret System, you can go ahead and do it. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Just click on that, and then you're going to select all your emails that you're sending out, and then you're going to come down here, and then you're going to this email is ready to go. Okay, so pretty much you have your subject line right here, and then also you have the body of text. So this is the email that's going out right now. And then as you can see, your affiliate link is right here. You come down here, you click on perfect timing, and then boom, you just want to click on send. All right. So once you click on send, then this email is going to go out to all those new subscribers that you have on your list, and you're going to be able to get in front of them, and you're going to be able to get subscribers and sales for the My Legion Secret System. Okay. So this is what sending out an email is going to look like. Very easy to do. So that's going to be one way to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay, is promoting the system itself. All right. The second way is you're going to use a third party service or an affiliate network, such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. There's Max Bounty. There's Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of different CPA networks that you can use to use those business opportunity offers to come here and promote those offers to the My Legion secret system. Okay, so and that's what we're doing, guys. We're not using My Legion secret at this moment, but we are using a company network called ClickBank. Okay, and the reason why we're using ClickBank because out of the testing that I've done, the ClickBank offers this traffic does respond very well to ClickBank. Okay, and their offers. So we're using the series to to promote ClickBank products. All right, in the business opportunity section. So that's it, guys. Those are the two popular ways that you're going to make money. There's going to be three different ways that you can send out emails in this system. Okay. Number one is to create an email. You can create an email, go grab your affiliate link, insert that into the email, and then click send. Okay. Number two is you're going to use maybe like an email service or some kind of AI or chat GPT or something like that to create your emails, and then you can insert your link in those emails and then use the system in that way. The other way that you're going to send out an email is by using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay, and that's going to be the most easiest way to starting out to do. Okay, so all you got to do is go over to clickbank.com, create your account if you don't have one already, and then go to the e-business e-marketing section in the marketplace, and you're going to be able to find those business opportunity offers. Now, you're going to once you click on those business opportunity offers and you go into the affiliate section, they're going to have free email swipes that you can use. Okay, so those email swipes are going to be the ones that you're just going to copy and paste over. There's about 20 of them. All right, so you're going to take those offers that you're going to take those emails in that offer, and you're going to paste those over here to the system. Okay, and those some of those offers are going to look something like this. So pretty much they will look something like this, right? So all you got to do is go to that e-business e-marketing section. They're going to have these pre-written emails, and you just copy them and you paste them over to the system with the subject line right here, and then also right here with the text right here. Okay, and then you're going to insert your affiliate link, which is going to be right here. So whenever you click on this link, it's going to take you to your affiliate page, right? And your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, now once your prospect signs up, they're going to subscribe to your list of your affiliate, program, whatever you're promoting, or they're going to purchase right then. Okay. And that's what we really want them to do. Okay. We really actually want them to purchase right then. Okay. When they sign up. Okay. But not all the time. Obviously, people are just going to sign up based on just reading one email. Sometimes it takes someone seeing an email maybe 5 to 7 days or maybe even 30 days in order to start signing up with you. Okay. And start purchasing from you. Okay. So it's sometimes you will get people that will just buy right off the bat or sign up with you right off the bat, but there's some that will. Most people are going to take their time and circle back around and sign up with you later. So usually that's how it works when it comes to email marketing. Okay, so you're going to have your people that just sign up right away, and you're going to have those people that take 15, 30 days, 7 to 30 days to sign up with you. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like, guys. That's how you're going to send out that email, and then that's how that email is going to look like I just showed you. And then you just click on send, right? You just go to the mailing system and click on send. And then, like I said, if you guys want to, if you're good at just creating emails, you can just come here and just, write whatever subject line in it, okay? Whatever. And then you come down here and then you click on perfect timing, and then you take this out, you control A, and then you just start writing your email, okay? Whatever you want to do. Okay, well, obviously you would do it in black, but that's how you would do it. Okay, and then you come down there and click on send. Okay, now read me, I've already sent out my emails for today. I come in around the same time, around this time every night, to send out my emails. Now, the cool thing about this is that you can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay, so every 24 hours you can come into this back office and you can send out an email to get to, reach new subscribers every single day. Okay. That's the cool thing about the My Legion Secret. I love the system, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while. So it's just second nature to me. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out all my emails and all 8 of my accounts. All right. So once you get in the groove of sending these emails out, it's going to be pretty quick. Now, also too, after you send out all those emails, they will be stored in the saved emails. Okay, so you're going to be able to go back to those emails that are performing really well, and just click on those and just use those. That way, you can just keep your sales on rinse and repeat. You can just pick the emails that work the best. Okay, and then just keep sending those same emails out over and over and over again, and then you can always repurpose those emails by just doing a little bit more to spend more time with these emails by using Chat GPT or some kind of AI service, okay, to repurpose the emails that are working for you. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the system. It's pretty easy to do, guys. I just showed you how to do it. If you need more detail, go back and watch my earlier videos. I go into great detail on like how to send out an email, how to copy it, from the offer and come over here and copy it. I'll kind of show you step by step. I kind of hold your hand during this thing, so to speak. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know you can go back and watch these videos so you can see exactly how to do it. I'm just giving you guys just a quick rundown on how to do it. Okay, so I did send out my emails last night. Like I do every day, I like to come in and I like to show you guys results on what I did the previous day. And right now, I'm showing you guys the last 30 days of these sales that we've been getting. And the reason I'm doing the last 30 days because I like to show you the algorithm and what it would look like. Okay. Instead of just showing you daily results, I like to show you the last 30 days. Now I was doing every day, but I'll switch that back up after showing you, a couple months of just past 30 days so you can see the algorithm. That way you can see if it changes or if it stays the same. Okay. So this right here, today's the 23rd. And this, as you can see right here. Okay. And then if you go back, these are the sales that we made for the past 30 days. Okay. So as you can see, the sales have been pretty consistent. The algorithm, what I've been noticing is that either we're getting a sale every day, every other day, or every 2 days. Okay. That's how long that we've been without a sale is 2 days that we've been without a sale. Okay. And that's the algorithm right now. Okay. Now, if you come down here, right, this algorithm been this way for, I would say maybe about 2 months, right? Now, recently, this past week or past weekend, we got instead of getting 3 sales in a row, as you can see, we've never gotten over. I mean, we were getting 3 sales, and then we wouldn't get nothing on that day. Like right here, as you can see, we would get 3 sales, and then we'll miss 2 days. Right? You get 2 sales back to back. You may skip a day, get 2 sales again, and then right here, guys, we got 4 sales back to back. Okay, but then we didn't get nothing for these last 2 days. We didn't get a sale. Okay. But the way this algorithm is, we are more than likely are going to get a sale tomorrow because we didn't get a sale today or yesterday. Okay. Well, we got a free trial sale, but we didn't get a rebill, which is someone actually getting billed for the program. Okay. So tomorrow I'm looking to get some kind of sale because as you can see, that's the algorithm. So you can pretty much expect a sale if it's been longer than 2 days. Okay. That's why the cool thing about this algorithm, what I want to show you is because you can dang near, guarantee that you're going to get a sale based on just the algorithm and what it looks like. Okay. And I want to show you this because eventually we're going to start seeing sales every single day. Okay, that's the whole goal here, guys. We want to bridge this 2 days, right? And we want to start bringing that down to one day, right? So that way, that one day is going to turn into every day we're getting sales. Okay, so the offer that we are promoting is one of the offers on ClickBank. It's a offer that has a rebill of $20 every single month. Okay, so the cool thing about that is that This how this offer works, right? They sign up for a free trial. Okay, you don't get paid for the free trial, but they will get billed in 3 days for the service. Okay, for start working. Okay, so once someone signs up to start working, they'll get billed for the program so they can get their training materials. Once they get billed, we earn a commission. Okay, now after they get billed on that day, that next month, if they're still with us and they're still working and making money, they're going to get billed for the program again. The next month on the same day, they're going to get billed again and get billed again. Okay. So that residual income is very nice to have. Okay. We do the work one time, we set it up one time, we get them to sign up one time, and they're going to get billed over and over and over and over again. As long as they're staying working and making money, they're going to stay with you. Okay. So and that's the whole idea here is why I'm promoting this offer because it has those stackable $20 payments, right? Every single month. So every single month, you're going to have that $20 coming in from one person. But if you have hundreds of people that we have coming in and signing up, and someone is always signing up, right? Then we're going to have those payments start stacking on top of each other. So eventually, you're going to see these $40 days, the $60 days, the $80 days, right? $100 days, right? So that's the whole goal here to this method, to this madness. Okay. This is why we're promoting this offer. And this is why we come in and send out emails every day. Okay. Right now, it just may be some chump change to you right now, but eventually it's going to start getting higher and higher and higher. Okay. But right now, we are getting paid every single week. Okay. For the work that we do. So that's the cool thing about ClickBank. They do pay every Friday. So every Friday you will get a check sent out to you, or you'll get direct deposit, whichever one. Okay. So the cool thing is that you definitely have money coming in, even starting out. You'll get paid every single week for the work that you do during the week. Okay. And then you'll get paid out on Friday. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. The algorithm has been right. The algorithm, I'm hoping that it's going to change. Okay. I'm pretty confident that it is because doing this is our first time getting 4 sales in a row. Okay. So, which is really good. I'm excited about that. Even though we didn't get sales for the last 2 days, I can pretty much guarantee myself that I'm going to get another sale because we haven't went, over 2 days without getting a sale. So, tomorrow is the third day. So, that could probably happen, but more than likely, based on this algorithm, we're going to get a sale tomorrow. So so you guys come back here with me tomorrow so you can see if we got that sale or not. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys the results on what this looks like and wanted to break down this graph here to show you the algorithm, show you the sales coming in. We are getting sales, guys. This stuff does work. This is what I wanted to show you. Like this stuff does work. Okay. People are signing up and we are getting paid from ClickBank. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that and wanted to show you how easy it is to send out an email in the system over here at My Legion Secret. If you guys want to get started with the My Legion Secrets, come down here below this video. I did leave a link here for you. This tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. Just click on that link. It's going to take you to the landing page for the My Legion Secret platform. And you would just pretty much come down here and sign up. Okay, now as you can see, there's tons of people making earning income with this company. Okay, so I'm not the only one. These are just testimonials from people that are making money. I'm not the only one making money here. Okay, there's tons of people. Excuse me. There's tons of people making money with this company. Okay. So you guys, all you got to do is come here and get started. It's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer, guys, to pay for this. If you're able to go out and get multiple accounts, go out and do it. Okay. First, you got to get started. Okay, that's the hardest thing about doing this is and taking action on something is getting started. Okay. If you're looking for extra income to help maybe pay some bills, put some food on the table, maybe help with a car payment or help with your rent or mortgage, this is going to be the extra income that's going to be able to help you with those extra bills. Okay. Now, if you take this thing full time and you grind it out and you stay with this years and years, you're going to start, this will pay you like a full time job. Okay. If you hang on with it, if you do this, you're going to have to do this for a while in order to start seeing a bigger number. But right now, this is just the extra income that you can use to pay some of those extra bills and maybe put food on the table. All right. So I'm going to leave this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. We'll go over the results for tonight's emails, and I'll show you how we did for today. Okay. So, because every day is we're a step ahead because the emails that we send out are at night and we don't get the results till the next day. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'll come back here tomorrow. See you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.